hello there, and right here, right now, I would like to show you how to fix Source Engine Faceposer. Ever since Microsoft updated their API, the old extraction doesn't work, so that's probably why you're here. There is one other thing as well that needs some attention. So I'm gonna go to my dedicated Garysmo installation. I use this dedicated installation so I can keep my main one messy and with all the garbage from the servers and stuff. So if you go to bin folder, nothing out of the ordinary. Let's just start Faceposer. Okay, now classic, I got Barney in here, and now let's say I have recording and I want to make it into, I want to lip sync it. So go to Phoneme editor and just load a file. There we go. I'm just gonna get rid of it so it's like a fresh new file. And the first thing to notice is using unknown speech API. This means there is one problem. If you right click, it's gonna crash. The explanation is simple. In bin folder there, you have folder phoneme extractors. There's two chances. First one is it's empty. The second one, there are files, but they're completely broken. So I've left the link in the description that contains working phoneme extractors. It's from Source SDK single player base 2014. I've uploaded it so you don't have to download it from Steam or use it from any other game, because I tried it, for example, from Team Fortress 2 and it doesn't work. So let's stick with this one. So when you download it, you open the zip file and you just drag and drop this here. So now we got phoneme extractor. Okay, let's start Faceposer again to see. Now when I open the file again, get rid of these. Now we can see it's using IMS, lip sync. That is correct. So let's do it. Let's put in the sentence. Let's go. Oh, error. Unable to find lip sync data. And this is where we get to the last point. Microsoft updated their speech API, getting rid of the old Microsoft Speech API from Windows XP and Windows Vista. This as well worked on Windows 7 and to some extent on Windows 10. This is now fully obsolete and shouldn't be used, logically, because it's not working on latest updates of Windows 10 and Windows 11. So this whole page got updated, link in the description. And using lip sync speech API, you need those data, so it's right there. You just download it from the Google Drive and you go back to your bin folder. Now you open the zip file and you put this folder in here. Now you got lip sync data. If you're doing this for Garysmo, make sure you're putting in a bin folder. If you put it in Win64, it's not gonna work since Faceposer is still 32-bit. Now if I load up the file again, re-extract under a sentence, boom, and it's working. Extraction successful. Comment extraction and insanity. It's working. So this is pretty much all you gotta do to make this working again. Maybe next time I'm gonna show up how to make the entire choreography scene and how to include this in a map, because I haven't seen much tutorials about this. So yeah, well, that's it, and happy mapping and happy choreography.